Good morning, kinder readers. I'm going to do a reading workshop lesson with you all this morning. And I first want to start with doing a little bit of breath work. This is my magic breathing ball. Some of you might have these at home. But what it does is it shows us how our lungs work, how they expand when we take a deep breath in, and how they contract when we exhale. So it's really important to breathe deeply. That helps us to calm down. So we're going to do 3 long, deep breaths together with my breathing ball today. And parents, you can join along with me because I think this is really important right before we get to work with our children, that we just take these deep breaths and know that we're doing the best we can do. We're keeping to our agreements, being a good friend, good listener, mindful bodies, and doing our very best. And one of the strategies to help us do our best is to take some long, deep breaths. So we're going to do 3 right now. In through your nose and out through your nose. In through your nose and out through your nose. And one more time. And exhale. Don't you guys feel better? I sure do. I'm ready to read and talk to you about this book. I'm actually not going to read the book today. I'll read it a little later in another video, but I'm just going to share some parts of the book. This is one of our favorite stories in room 8 in All Around Kindergarten, and we're going to use our reading superpowers to read today when we do reading workshop. And I want to just remind you all about a few things about books. And I know you know a lot already. Can you guys tell me what this is? I'm going to read it. Even superheroes have bad days. Yes, that's the title of the story. Oftentimes the title will give us a clue about what's going to happen in the story. Oftentimes there's a problem and then there's a solution at the end of the story in a fiction story. This is fiction, but it could be real because you're all superheroes and you can even have a bad day. So let's look at the book and find some more parts. So the title is here and it's on the front cover of the book. The back cover is the back of the book, and it often gives a little retell about the story or something to grab your interest and tell you a little bit about the book so that you want to read it. It's an interest grabber. Okay, usually good books have good pictures to go with the words. So the title is here, the front cover, and we've got a picture. The spine of the book is how we open the book, and I know I've taught room 8 kiddos that we always open a brand new book in the middle and we press it down. This book hasn't been used very much. My dad taught me this. You press down the middle so that the pages don't get all clumpy when you go to read. And then you press down each page as you go. So when I open up my book, I even have a title page. And then this is just information. Oh, here's my real title page. This one has 2. And it restates the title, has some pictures. So inside my book, I have good pictures to go with my words, and the words will usually match the pictures. So if you get stuck on a word, you always can look to the picture for a picture clue. That's one of our super reading powers to figure out a word, is to look at the pictures to help you figure it out. Okay, I think I've gotten all the parts of the book today. Look for my next video. I'll read this to you again.